welcome to my videos. So guys, this world is inching towards digitalization, and be it custom declaration or anything, if you have a mobile app where you can make such declaration in advance, it's always gonna be very beneficial. For example, in front of you I have opened this app, Mobile Passport Control by CBP. I have installed it, but you can also search on it. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it to do your custom declaration for USA in advance, so that when you reach the border, you're going to save time. So it's a free app, okay, MPC. And as a US citizen, Canadian visitor, lawful permanent residents means green card holders, and visa waiver program travelers can simplify their entry into the states via their mobile phone. Submit from one phone, okay. I mean, if you are traveling in a group like a family, you can do for all from one place, and then receive your receipt, and that you can show to a CBP officer upon arrival, who will be able to pull your details out. Okay, next, set up your so it has given some information. Save your travel information, set up your primary profile, okay. Prepare for your trip, save it ahead of time, fine. Secure your information, protect your privacy. So let's set up your profile. How would you like to add a new person? So you can scan your document, passport or something, and it will auto populate the fields, but of course I cannot do that in this video, but it's an easy way. So I'm gonna go for start from scratch. Okay, so what are things they have asked? First name, last name, date of birth, gender, travel document, trusted traveler program, and save. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. After that, it's asking you to set your pin. You can set any pin for this app. Next is to again confirm pin for the app. It also gives you the option to log in using biometrics. If you are okay, do it, otherwise you can skip also. Okay, now these are the steps you need to follow. First is location, port of entry, okay, from available CBP location. How you are going to enter the states. Select up to 12 family members including yourself to add to your submission. Declare, submit, and receive your receipt. So let's go. You would like to receive notifications? Why not? Access location, I can grant it, or I'll do so. Required. Okay, yes. Allow all the time. Fine. Let's go. Disclaimer, it's good to read all this. Okay, agree. So now you have come to the main page, okay, and this is an official app created by US Customs and Border Protection, CBP. Okay, begin your entry process. Okay, submit your photo, travel document, and responses to CBC question at participating. Check out our guide. Okay, fine. So you can see the supported location which are allowed. So even from third countries, like you see Billy Bishop Toronto, these are allowed. You know why? Because from Billy Bishop and even from Abu Dhabi, the first one, lot of flights go to USA, and your US immigration agents or CBP sit right over there to process. Okay, I have seen this, so it's a very beneficial. Okay, you can just go through the see. Montreal is also there, Halifax is also there. Toronto Pearson International. So I'm going to select this. Okay, fine. But anyway, not here, there. So let's go for new submission. What is your CBP port? So aeroplane, cruise ship, pedestrian, all that. If I select pedestrian port, as of now it's plane. Okay, of course no. I'm gonna select airport, airplane, location, Toronto Pearson Interport. Okay, I'll select yes. I'll select terminal 1. Proceed. Who are you traveling with? If you're traveling with family, you can submit one form. Yeah, 12 we saw. So I just click on, oh, I need to add myself at least. These requirement is MPC. Okay. You know why? Because I did not upload eligible documents. I should add travel document, or you can use manual entry. I'm doing manual, but it's always good. Document number. So I added travel document. Okay. Now I can go passport Canada. It's eligible. Fine, and I can tap on done. Okay, fine. If you're traveling alone and no people, just click I'm traveling alone. Agree. What is the purpose of your travel? I select pleasure, means tourism. Proceed. Come on, do you have any commercial merchant? Read every question and answer honestly, guys. Don't lie. Are we transporting currency or monetary instrument equal to grand? Okay. I select no in any form. Okay. Personal goods. Articles declare that acquired abroad and beyond. So no. Do I have any fruit, vegetable, plant? Most people will have this fruit. Okay. Dairy products. Contact with livestock, no. Disease agents, no. You are making one declaration. Proceed. Do you have any commercial? Okay. It's giving you the recap of what you have written. Okay. So this is like saving the CBP form. Okay. Now if I submit it, it will generate the code. Okay. So I don't want to do this, and if I submit it, it will go. And if you click on view, you can see, and you can also edit. You can even delete this and recreate one if you want to. But once you submit, there will be a code generated. So I don't want to do that, but this is how it works, guys. Okay. So I mean, this is how your receipt is generated, and it can be used by the CBP officers to pull out the details. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.